Hello, let's talk about the action buttons. On a virtual front desk station, an action button can do 7 different actions. A button can video call into the web app, send a video or call notification to Microsoft Teams, sends an SMS text, display a QR code or a PDF on the station screen, or start a visitor sign-in. And at the end of the form, you can decide if you want to video or phone call the host, a department, or send an email. Let's start with the video call. If you want a button to send a regular video call, you select the properties, go to Stations here, select your station, click on Details, and here under Button, you create a button. By not associating this button to anything, it will call everybody who's online in your team simultaneously. If you would like to do a Microsoft Teams call, this MS Teams option must be switched on here, but you can only do so by doing the Microsoft Teams integration and logging in with the Microsoft SEO option. I highly recommend that you watch the tutorial or read the documentation here in the Help Center. If you want a button to dial a regular phone number, you can enter it here, and you set the number of seconds you would like Virtual Front Desk to try a video call before dialing this call forwarding number here. You can also create a department, add a specific number to it, and skip the video call altogether. For the SMS notification, you simply enter your mobile number here and switch the option to on. And whenever someone presses a button, it will also send an SMS notification. To display a QR code or a PDF, you go back to your property stations, here Details, and in the button options, you would select the QR code here to display. This button would now display a QR code. If you select the PDF here, it will display the PDF. As for the sign-in flow, you can create a sign-in flow from here. And by selecting this option, this button will start the sign-in form. Once completed, you can decide if you want to video call the host, send an email, or dial a phone number. So those are the actions a button can do with Virtual Front Desk. Thanks for watching.